Okay, so this is a demo of local CDC from a Postgres instance into a Kafka topic that's consumed by a business-specific subscription event consumer. So on the left, this is going to be a decoded look at the write-ahead log from our Postgres instance. It's been seeded already, and we will trigger some more changes in that database next. In the middle will be the change domain capture output that the Debezium connector creates and puts in the intermediary topic. And then on the right will be the domain event or the business logic event that the subscription event consumer is going to create for downgrade and upgrade events and produce to another topic. So I'm going to trigger a downgrade first. So from left to right, you see the new write-ahead log change. This is not what it really looks like in the database. This is converted into JSON with a helper. But the important thing is the table, column names. You can see what the old values and the old keys were before the update was made. So on the left, this is hard to see, but our user, Zach Otter, seemed to have downgraded. He wanted to save a little money. And as soon as that update was made, we can look over here and see what happened. And then the Debezium connector consumed that change from the replication slot and mapped it into a change domain capture or change data capture event. And it shows you what the value of that row was before, after, and the source information of where this change came from. And that's all fine and good, but for our business, like our downstream business stakeholders and other teams to find this useful, we'll need a consumer or someone to process this event to decide if it was an upgrade or downgrade. And that's what this consumer does. And this is the domain event or business logic event that is exposed to other services. So now the business terms come into play, subscription downgraded, and it includes the important data and source information. So now let's do an upgrade. Great. So we got our change after it committed to the database. It was added to the write-ahead log. Similarly, we upgraded. The old value was pro, and the new value should be max pro. It's kind of hard to see in here. Max pro. And over here, we'll see the almost the inverse of the last event. We'll see the plan was pro before, and then converted to max pro. And our consumer's domain event will be the inverse, subscription upgraded. And that's all for this demo. Oh my gosh, was I not recording? Okay, I was.